Hi, you guys. So, I am super excited about you guys joining me on this 14-day juice fast. Like, tomorrow is about to be lit, let me tell you. So, I am just making my juice this morning. It's Sunday, and I need to run some errands today. So, I have to go and get me a new computer, and I also have to go grocery shopping. So, as you can see, your girl is stepping out, getting her groceries. My daughter is also eating high raw. So I have to shop for her as well. So I'm just picking up a lot of fruits and vegetables, and it is just crazy right now because I'm drinking up to 6 liters a day so that I won't lose any more weight. And I feel like most of my day now is juicing. I'll tell you, no lie. But I love the fact that Kroger had all fresh vegetables. Like, it was just insane how fresh their vegetables were. So I am just getting me some fresh kale, which is one of my favorite vegetables. I love ginger. Now all of a sudden I'm adding ginger in all of my juices, which is crazy. Blueberries for my daughter. She loves blueberries. And I am heading to check out now. So now I am wrapping it up at Kroger. I did stop by Aldi, which I didn't record it, but I did stop by Aldi because there's some things that I get from Aldi. I just love them. But I am headed home now to unload, which is not my favorite part of grocery shopping. But look at my refrigerator. Like, this is so lit. Like, I love the melons. I love the pomegranates. My daughter loved those. And I had to step back out because I needed to go and get me a new MacBook, which is crazy because every time I try to save for the Nama juicer, I always realize that it's something else I need to get. And I definitely needed a new computer. So I had to step out and go and pick it up. I ordered it maybe the day before. So it's just so crazy. I'm probably never going to get it. So you guys, I spent half of my night making sure I got all the names down. I wrote all the names down. I wrote all the names from the comments and also from Instagram. So no one was left out. So I want to show you guys how, who's going to be the winner, because I don't want to just draw and announce the name. That's not how I get down. I want to draw the name and then tell you guys. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm not going to look. Okay. So the first person is Laura Victoria. And the second name is, oh, they're stuck together, Jessica Smith. So Jessica and Laura, you will be getting your bags. So I will reach out to you. I'm unsure which platform you commented on, but I will check both and I will look for your names and I will message you and we can move from there. So I just want to thank you guys for everything, like all the love, all of the support, all of the motivational comments and everything. Like, you guys are so freaking perfect. Like, I love you guys and I want to be here and support you on your 14-day juice fast as well. I can't believe so many people decided to join me on this journey. Like, I was for sure that it was going to be like a small amount of people. No, I was dead wrong. Like, all of you guys showed up and showed out. Like, I'm at the grocery store. I just ordered my juicer. It's coming in tomorrow. Like, I'm ready. I already have my stuff out. Like, I'm about to juice now for tomorrow. Like, you guys are on it. Like, okay. And I think you guys think that I'm motivating you, but in reality, you're motivating me. Like, before I started this journey, I was in it. Well, I wouldn't say before I started this journey. When I first started this journey, I was in it by myself because I wasn't even thinking about going 90 days. I was like, I'm trying to make it to 30 days. Because if you look back at my content, you'll realize that I didn't start posting about my journey until day 35. So I wasn't even thinking that I was going to be able to go this long, which is why I didn't document the beginning part of it. So the first 30 days of my juice fast, it was tough. Like, I was in it by myself. I wasn't getting any comments about anything about a juice fast because I didn't post content on it. And it's just so crazy because now that I wish if I could go back, I wish that I would have posted from the first week of me starting my juice fast, because the outpour of support is like insane. Like, you guys are on it, and I appreciate it, and I want to return the favor. So as I continue to go through this, I am going to document as much as I can. I don't think you guys understand. You are going to get that content, okay? I am going to give you that content. So yeah, and right now I'm feeling good. When I woke up this morning, I had a bit of a headache, which is crazy because it was like ice pick headaches, and I never had those before. And I noticed that it started maybe like the beginning of last week, and I'm just like, what is happening here? Something isn't right. And I was terrified because I never knew what that felt like. I never even heard anyone say they had ice pick headaches before. And when I got on Google to, basically describe what was happening to me, that's when I found out that it was called ice pick headaches. And basically anything that's tight on my head causes tension headaches. Started to cause tension headaches because it never did before. So, when I put on wigs, when I put on the head, I have to be super careful, because if I don't, I will get tension headaches. But now it's like my tension headaches are turning into like ice pick headaches. And I noticed from, going on Google, it said that, tension headaches is what caused ice pick headaches too. So I decided to be very careful about what I put on my head and how tight I put it on, basically. So, things are like changing. I'm starting to notice stuff every week. Like, I don't know if it's just my body or if it's my mind, just knowing that I'm closer to the end, but it's just crazy. It's not really bad things. It's just like little things where it's like, hold up, what's going on? What's happening? And I think that will forever happen throughout your journey, like the ups and downs. Even when you're closer to the end, I realize you still may have ups and downs. I don't think that you're really be able to truly see the benefits until you get to that major refeed, when you're taking in a lot of fruits and vegetables raw, like when you're eating it. I think that's when you really begin to like see the benefits of your juice fast, because as you're going through it, you have to realize like juice fasting is a type of detox. So when you're detoxing, sometimes you don't always feel your best the entire journey. Sometimes it doesn't come until after your juice fast. And that's something that I'm noticing now. Don't get me wrong. I see, like, when I tell you I felt horrible when I started my fast, I felt horrible. Like, it was not even funny. And so now I will definitely say I'm like 80% like better, like literally 80%, which is why I want to go on another high juice fast after, Thanksgiving, like still taking in tons of juice, but also eating like some raw foods and stuff like that. And even though I can't really eat on Thanksgiving because clearly my gut is not going to be prepared for that, but still, it's just like, I'm just super excited to know that, this juice fast does make a difference. Like, it does work. So if you have any issues, like, give it a try. Don't let the outside world convince you that it's not worth it. Anything is worth trying, especially when your options are slim. Okay. If your options are slim, definitely go on this juice fast, okay? It's no doctor out there that's going to make you lose weight or give you a magic pill that's going to cause your fat to shrink. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You really have to take your health into your own hands. And I'm super excited to see so many of you guys doing just that. So I don't want to hold up so much of your time, but thank you so much for all the love and support. And keep in mind, I will be giving that back in return. So thank you so much. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. And guess when that is? That is tomorrow. Okay. I will be posting shorts. I will be posting long content videos. I will be posting in the community tab. Like, we will be in this together. Like, trust me. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.